Today is day 7. So my goal for today is to put in this rear section on the frame. So it's just basically the propeller that goes from the transmission to the main drive. Okay, so today we're gonna use 4 of these propeller bolts. Goes in here. Yeah, there's 4 of them going to the transmission. 4 holes here, and we're gonna use this bolt or stud going here, and it will go in this section. Okay, there's a special tool or a spanner for this, but me, I make my own tools. Okay, so like that. Just basically use this one. Okay. That goes there. There. You can twist it. Okay. It's one trick of the trade. Okay, so let's assemble it. Let me just tell you, it's a pain in the ass. Absolutely pain in the ass to do this one. So you got to put that in. There's 4 of them. So I got one piece in 20 minutes. Okay. So I absolute pain in the ass. I ended up cutting one of my Allen keys so it will fit in like that. Okay, I don't know about this, but I had an R50 before. I know it had like a different kind of bolt, like a wrench. You use a 9mm wrench, but somehow this one has an Allen bolt on it, so I'm not sure if it's from the later models. Okay, anyway, I'm just gonna tighten it and then strap it. Okay, so now I placed it in with the straps on it. It's now time to tighten this one. My special tool. Okay, so you're leaving like half an inch thread exposed on it, so you can put the other nut here, the cup or the cover. So we'll just tighten this one with the wrench. Okay, so this is the lock. Not actually a nut, it's like a cover. We just put this one somehow. There. Okay. So I'm gonna put Loctite on it before I tighten it. Okay. Next would be to put in the shocks. Okay. So So you put one shock here, and this is where the final drive is. So there's a final drive assembly there, and then you put the shock, you bolt the shock in there. So now we gotta put the shock here first. Okay. So got the shock here. Says here drive, so this one goes on the drive shaft, final drive, meaning this one goes in there. Okay, so this one goes in here. You can see like there. So that thing goes out, and then you put this one in, that one there, and then you put the nut. Yeah, put the nut. That's it. And you put there's a bolt that goes in here. Okay. And then there's a cup again, like a cover, like this one goes up. Right? So let's try to do it. Okay. So you get this one right here, put this one in, okay, like that. Okay, so you tighten it. So until a little bit of thread goes out, so you can put the cup in here. Okay, okay, that's the cup right there. Okay, so this bolt here goes in here. Okay. So you see that? It says Kamax. That's original. Finally today I'm going to put this final drive in this shaft, propeller shaft. So it's very elementary. It's still dirty. I haven't cleaned it yet, but for the purpose of viewing it, it's basically just putting these 4 bolts, stud bolts, in these 4 holes, and then tightening it with a bolt and the washer. Okay, so that's it. And then this is where the shock goes. You bolt the shock here and goes up here, same as that. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, so they're all both are in. I just need to put the bolt here. It's all done. Remember, there's a gasket here. Okay, we should put transmission oil here, so it's gonna leak if you don't put, if there's no gasket. There's a gasket here. Okay, so that's it. That's it. That is my work for today.